entire rows. So here I have the player's name in the row column, and here I have the player's scores in the column. So what I have to do is I need the highest value of each player and the lowest value of each player and the average. So you can see Sachin have scored these runs in 7 matches or any count matches, no issues. In this row, 198 is the highest score I have to get here. Likewise from the all players, and the lowest score is 62 I have to obtain here, and the average value of all these matches have to be obtained here. So once I make a formula, I need to get all these values here. So the highest score, lowest score and the average. Let's learn about this. So here I have the players scores in these table columns. What is the formula is equal to max is the formula. You have to choose all these rows and make it. So once again I am telling equal to max to obtain the highest value from the rows. You can get this. So drag this, you can get the maximum value, that is highest score, as well as the lowest score. This is the minimum. Select the rows, enter. Minimum. Select the rows, enter. Likewise, the average value. Select how much columns you need, enter it. You can get the average score of each players. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to Yalnidhi channel. Click like and comment. Thank you for watching.